Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, before we get started, don't forget to share and like the video. If found it helpful, please subscribe the channel for more crochet tricks and ideas. In this video, we will discuss what is crochet, how to get started, and some of the basics you need to know before you begin. I will also provide some helpful resources so you can start crocheting today. Crochet accessories are a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your daily life. Here are some popular crochet accessories ideas: hats, cowls, gloves, bags and purse, phone cases and covers, keychain and charms, jewelry, that is earrings and necklace, hair accessories, headbands and clips, brooches and pins, coasters and hot pads, covers for devices, that is tables, laptop, etc., market bag and totes, zipper pouches and bags, crocheted flowers, granny square accessories, that is purses, coasters, fingerless gloves and wrist ear warmers and headbands, baby accessories, that is booties, hats, home decor items, table runners, foot runners, etc. What is crochet? Crochet is type of needlework in which you use a hook to create fabric from loops to yarn. No one is quite sure when and where crochet got it started, but it is believed to have organized in either Arabia or China. The type of crochet we know today spread to Europe in the 18th century and has been growing in popularity ever since. Crochet accessories has emerged as captivating trend, combining the artistry of crochet with the elegance of crochet accessories. In this video, we will explore the beauty, versatility, and charm of crochet accessories. From intricate patterns to statement pieces that add a touch of handmade Eloro accessories. In this video, we will show you different type of crochet accessories which you never seen in your life before. So don't skip and watch this video from start to end. The art of crochet. Crochet is a centuries-old craft that involves creating fabric using yarn and crochet hook. It's known for its intricate stitches, delicate patterns, and versatility in creating various items from clothing to accessories. Crochet artisans use techniques like single crochet, double crochet, and intricate lacework to craft stunning pieces with details. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique designs. Why choose crochet accessories? Unique style. Crochet offers a different style that sets it apart from mass produced accessories. Each piece is handmade, adding a personal touch and unique charm to your look. The second one is versatility. It's also very important topic. Crochet accessories comes in a wide range of designs, colors and patterns, making it variety enough to complement both casual and formal use. From dainty earrings to bold statement baskets, etc., there are crochet pieces of every occasion. Third one is handmade craftsmanship. The craftsmanship involved in creating crochet hanging bags is unmatched. Artisans spend hours carefully crafting each piece, resulting in high quality and durable crochet that stands the test of time. The fourth point, which is really very important also, as like before in previous videos also, we have told many times that crochet is one of sustainable fashion. Sustainable fashion is the fourth point of today's video. As a sustainable fashion choice, crochet hanging bags and accessories eco-friendly practices by using yarn and materials that are often sourced responsibly. It's a conscientious choice for those seeking environmentally friendly accessories. Hand-knit and crochet have swept the runways from the past few seasons as designers celebrate the art of craftsmanship. These intricate pieces are not only with the happy ending today's crochet mart videos. Hope we'll meet you in next video. Thank you for watching.